Got another lesson for you from Taylor Swift's new album, Folklore. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Exile. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Enjoy. So for this song, we're going to tune all 6 strings down a half step. And the verse is made up of 2 chords, the first of which is a G major chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And then the second chord is an E minor chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a C major chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Next is a D major chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. Next is an E minor chord, which we already learned. And then last is a G major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now, the last part you need to know is the bridge. It's also the outro. It uses 4 chords, all of which we learned already. So it's a G major chord, an E minor chord, a D major chord, and a C major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Exile. Like I mentioned, if this lesson helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.